Meet Tulsi, also known as holy basil, one of the most revered plants in Indian culture. But why should everyone have a Tulsi plant at home? Let's find out. Tulsi isn't just a plant, it's a powerhouse of benefits. First, it's a natural air purifier. Tulsi releases oxygen 20 hours a day, absorbing harmful gases and improving indoor air quality. Tulsi is also known for its incredible health benefits. It boosts immunity, fights respiratory illnesses, and acts as a natural stress reliever. A cup of Tulsi tea can do wonders for your mind and body, helping to reduce anxiety and promote overall well-being. In Vastu Shastra, Tulsi is considered highly auspicious. Placing it in the northeast direction brings positivity and harmony to your home. So, bring home a Tulsi plant today and experience its magical benefits for yourself. To get your own Tulsi plant, check the link in our bio. Transform your home with Tulsi, nature's gift to your health and happiness.